Next, we look at the new term called the monomials. Monomials. That means an algebraic expression with only one term. These are some examples of monomials. These are just numbers. So we call this one form of monomials. And in the second type, we have some x, y variables, and even to the power 2 or 3 or something. This is also called a monomial. We just call this one term. And even if we have a number multiplying the variable x, y squared or xy, these are also called monomials. We just regard this as one term. And actually, the numbers and the variables, we can separate them like this term. Minus 3 times y squared. We can separate this term into two parts. The first part is just a number, negative 3. So then we include the negative sign or the positive sign before the number. And we call this the coefficient of the term. And the second part will be this y squared. Y is the variable, and this number squared, the index, is called the degree of the monomial. So this monomial has a degree of 2. And what about this more complicated term? Again, we can separate it into two parts. The first part is the number 8. Again, this is also called the coefficient. And note that this is include the positive sign before the number 8. And the second part will be a to the 3 and b to the 4. So this part is the product of two variables. This is of degree 3, this is of degree 4. Therefore, the total degree of the whole term is 7. This monomial is of degree 7.